How to log in to Facebook automatically without a password. This tutorial shows you how to enable auto login for Facebook on your Android device. First, open the Google app on your Android device. The app will load. Next, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. The menu will open. Now, tap on Manage your Google account. Your Google account page will load. Moving forward, you'll see sections stacked vertically. The first one is Personal Info. Below that is Security and Sign In. Afterwards, tap on Security and Sign In. The Security Settings page will open. Scroll down to the bottom of this section. Look for Password Manager. Tap on Password Manager to view your saved passwords. All your saved passwords will be displayed. Look through the list and find Facebook or Facebook.com. Tap on Facebook to view your saved credentials. Enter your phone's PIN or use your fingerprint to verify. Once verified, you'll see your Facebook username and password. Tap on the eye icon to view your current password. Write it down or remember it for the next step. Now, close Google and open the Facebook application. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. This menu is accessible from any tab or page on Facebook. Scroll down and tap on Settings. Your Facebook settings will load. Tap on Account Center at the bottom. Look for Password and Security. Tap on Password and Security, find Save Your Login Info option, toggle on Save Login Info to enable automatic login. Select which account you want to save login for. Toggle on your Facebook account. Facebook will now automatically log you in without asking for a password each time. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you log into Facebook automatically, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.